Our Haʻawina ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi for today is the name for our great Pacific Ocean. E hoʻopili mai, repeat after me. Moananuiākea. Let's do it one more time. Hana ho. Moananuiākea. Maikaʻi, moana, meaning the ocean, the larger ocean. Nui, great. Ākea means expansive, the great expansive ocean. And all throughout the Pacific, you'll find that people have different names for the Pacific Ocean, but they're all very similar. Moananuiākea, Moananuiāhiva, Moananuiākea. So it's all this great ocean that we call home. And I like to say we're the biggest continent on the planet because all of us Pacific Islanders are very much ohana, very much alike. And our origins begin in this great Moananuiākea. Mai ka iloa a hui ho, malama pono.